Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating an eye look that I was wearing in one of my recent videos using the new Natasha Denona Sunrise Palette. A lot of you guys asked to see this look, but I'm about to put one of my friends on blast real quick because she basically threatened me. Not really, but she says she's asking for this look, and she says maybe a video called "Here, Andrea, Shut Up Already," LMAO. And I said that's definitely going to be the name of the video. Obviously, it's not. She said, I mean, it'll probably go viral. I'm just saying. She said top 3 trending at least. So I am counting on you, Andrea. You better make this video go viral. I'm just kidding. I know that's not going to happen. But if you are tired of hearing me blabber about this and you just want to see me create this eye look, just keep watching. Andrea, this is for you. I'm going to start off with a Wayne Goss number 18 in the shade Morgan. I'm going to start by applying this to the outer corner, just little tapping motions first. And then I'm going to start to bring it upward, mainly focusing this on this outer corner. As there's less product on my brush, I'm bringing it up just a little bit higher and then into the transition area right over here, but I don't want it to be quite as dark here as it is on the outer corner. Refer SO1 in the shade Jasper. Again, I am starting on the very outer corner. I'm tapping this into place, and then I, again, am bringing it up. I'm really not going to bring this all the way in. I want to make sure that I smoke out this outer corner, bring it about halfway in here, but I'm not going to bring it all the way into the crease. Get a nice blown out effect on the outer corner though. Next up, I'm going to go in with this shade Carnelian on this brand new Refer No Name brush. If you can tell, this looks a lot like a MAC 242, and I am so flippin' elated about this. I have no idea if they're going to be able to make this in production or not, but they made this for me. I asked them, I was like, hey, the number one thing I get, by the way, I'm putting this all over the lid. Well, except for this inner corner. I'm just tapping over the edge of Jasper. But anyway, back to this brush. I needed a dual fiber, meaning synthetic and natural hair. I was like, I have to have something that is like the MAC 242 because the new MAC 242 is fully synthetic. Going back in with Jasper, sorry. And I'm just going to go around the little tip right here to make sure it's blended together. But I wanted a MAC 242 version because it's one of the only brushes I have that I can't dupe. And they made this brush for me, and I'm so excited with it. It's so perfect. So I'll keep you guys updated if they decide to make this in production. I'm like fingers crossed. Going back in with my No Name brush and the shade Morning. I'm applying this directly to the inner corner, that lid space right here, and then tapping over the last shade we laid down. Again, same brush and agate. All I did was wipe off the excess color on my pants, of course. And as you can see, look how perfect this is. I cut out like underneath my brows and everything with this brush. I tested it out yesterday for the first time, and I'm just, so excited. I really just, please make this brush. Sonia G Pencil Pro in the original shade Morgan. I am running this right along the lower lash line. I'm not going to bring it down too far though. Same brush and back in with agate. I'm applying this to the inner corner, and then I'm going to go ahead, wipe off my bake, and do my winged liner and whatnot off camera. I finished off this look with Milk Boss liner on my top inner rim, and then I used a bunch of mascara and I created my wing using the black cream liner from e.l.f. If you want to know anything else that is on my face, I'm going to leave it down below as always. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did by giving a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also, I want to thank everybody for all the love and support on my community page. It really means a lot. I love you guys. Again, I will see you next time. Bye, guys.